Hello guys, it's me the mobile gamer and today we'll be making a Bowmasters video. Very excited for this because I haven't recorded in a very long time. And yeah, so please subscribe to me because I love subscribers, and please also comment because I love to read. So I read your comments and suggestions that you might want to see. So we're going to be playing Bowmasters. We're going to be playing with this skeleton guy. I love him. Like, he's one of my favorite people. So we're having a civil war with my other character, basically. All right, let's see. I'm going to go with 14. Oh, a little bit over. 13 should have been it. Please miss me. Yep, you missed. All right, 13. Oh, I don't want 14. It keeps saying on 14 and I had 13. He got me. Oh, no, he didn't. Hey. I keep missing him. So maybe it's 12. I'm usually good at this game, but I'm sucking right now. Right in the head. Get up. Ooh, I messed him up. Okay, get up. Okay, on 13. Headshot twice. Headshot twice. Don't mess with me. I'll kick your ties. All right. Let me focus. Fatality. No, but yeah. We beat the magician. It was a civil war because I often play with him. Okay, so I'm back. So, because ads, nobody want to watch that. Hipster guy. Oh, he's good. All right, I'm going to assume 12-ish. I'm going to go with 13 the first time. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. He going to get me. That's okay. That's okay. Get up. All right, let's go with 15. Oh, 16. Closer. He's going to get me, and I'm going to die, and I'm going to be mad. Yep. So I lost. No, I'm going to just pay this time because, you know. I usually don't pay because I feel like I should just win on my own. But, I'm trying to keep this video like a little bit longer. All right, so 17. Hey. He's overthrowing it. All right, let's do 18. Oh, got him in the foot again. Suck. 22. I'm going to assume. Up, little overthrew it. Okay, knockout. So that's fine too. But I like getting fatality because you get extra coins with that. But like I was saying, you get extra coins with fatality. All right, let's go ahead and try something else because I'm always doing versus the computer, but we should do like some Apple stuff. All right, so how do you do this? Okay, I'm going to go with that angle. Yes! Okay. Katniss Everdeen. Oops, wait a second. I can't get to 100 power. Oops, I killed him, didn't I? Okay. I overthrew it. Ah! Did anyone hear that sound? Like, it was like beep, 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 beep. I don't know. Maybe it was this. Really? No, I don't want this. Get out of here. Don't want that. New record, too. Yeah, last time I didn't get that much. Okay, bird hunt. Birds. My bird, I was getting good at this game, and then it froze up. I was like, what? What ends up? But it's all good. Oh. All right, there's one. I don't want the card, but okay. See, this is why I just want my card. Oh, it wants to fall down and it's about to hit somebody. What? That's why I don't like those. All right, one, close. Need that extra time. Need that extra time. Oh, there's 7 seconds, 7 seconds, 7 seconds. Oh, shucks. Hit that bird. Hit that bird. Hit it. That was so freaking close. Okay. At. Okay, seriously. All right. So let's do another bird hunt. Please let me know in the comments other games I should play because I do not mind playing them. Oops. Yes, that's great. I got one. Why does it keep doing that? Oh, that's a game. Oh, okay. See what I mean? Like, I can't close, but not there. Got that extra time, though. Got some more extra time. Close. I don't want the thing. Can I change it? All right, there you go. You keep giving me these dumb magician cards, and I don't like the magician cards. Those things distract you. Ugh! So freaking close. Okay, sure. Dang it. Dang it. It was so freaking close. Okay. Give up on a bird hunt. I just give up. Really ads. Really. I'm not even gonna pause. I'm just gonna. It's free. That's why they have ads, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm about to be wrapping this video up in a couple of minutes. Vs.Computer. Julius. 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 Okay. I'm gonna guess this angle. I'm gonna go with 14. Up, definitely not. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go with 21 next time. He's gonna get me. Up. Didn't. Yeah, I should have went with 21. My first thought. And this time he's gonna freaking hit me, and I'm gonna die. I am a very great guesser, so yeah, I'm probably gonna die. So yeah. I want Mr. Gorsky to have an excellent funeral. All right, let's. I did 23 last time. Headshot. Finish him. Oh well, knockout. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.